Don't paint over my head.
I'm not painting over your head.
Thank you.
I don't think I got any specks
Damn
in her hair, but I'm not sure. Do I have dirt on my? Oh my gosh, I'm crazy.
I just want to do a garage graffiti.
Folks, welcome back to the Ranch Network. And today we're gonna paint the garage door. Jennifer.
Oh, it does work.
We're gonna paint the garage door. We're gonna bring you guys along for the ride. So let's go.
Well, let's go. So I'm just gonna sand this with 120 and see if we can get some of that loose paint off of it.
So we got about 3/4 of the garage door sanded down. We just got the bottom quarter to go. And then we're about that close to getting ready to paint. Do I have dirt on me? Oh my gosh, I'm crazy. Now we're gonna put some paint on this damn door. Want to hurry up? It's gonna get dark.
Well, my back is starting to feel it a little.
I know, I bet. We're getting those awkward positions.
Mm-hmm. It's a lot browner than I thought.
Yeah, well, it dries darker. It always looks light when you first put it on, then it gets a lot darker. Just slop it around.
Oh my God!
You might want to start high.
I'm trying to just kind of get some of the wetness off, and then I'm gonna go crazy.
Okay.
I feel like I'm gonna do a lot of damage.
I'm sure you will, Jennifer. If you go, I think, light on the first coat, the second coat will cover a lot better. It should be fine. If you go too heavy with this first coat, it just doesn't cover well. I don't know. So we'll just go light and.
I mean, on the ends, it's not a bad plan, you know, where the.
Because like when this dries and we put the second coat on, then it should like look really nice.
Ah!
You're using maximum effort. I hear you yelling over there.
Yeah.
What was that? Do that again.
No. Ah!
That's funny.
I just want to do a garage graffiti. We just throw it on.
Yeah, you want to just do garage graffiti, go in the house, and I'm done. I'm out.
I'm out.
It's done.
That's how I used to sing. I used to sing the national anthem, and then I would just be out. Peace out. I would literally leave the building.
You wouldn't talk to everybody and stuff?
No,
Socialize?
No, they did give me a DV seat. Like if I was supposed to sit and be a DV, then I would stay.
But if you had your way, you just take off right after you sing.
My favorite thing to do would be take off.
Okay.
Peace out. I'm out.
I'm done for the day. My job is over.
My job is done.
Oh gosh. Folks, we're back here with day 2 of our paint project.
That's right.
So we're gonna finish up painting the garage door. Yesterday we put coat 1 on, and it looks pretty darn good.
Now it's time for dose.
Yeah, but a lot of people would quit like right here, but you can't, because to get the proper sheen and to make sure everything turns out the way you want it to, you gotta do 2 coats. So let's get to it. Jennifer. Speed is just another word for out of control. That's all you're telling me right now. It's like I'm painting out of control.
Exactly. I just got to
just like a race car.
Throw the paint on it. Just
like a race car driver.
Splat it out. It'll be art. Art.
Like a race car driver that does crazy stuff on the track.
Yeah.
You're painting over your head. Instead of driving over your head, you're painting over your head.
my head.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's right. Folks, it's a wrap. We're done.
Yay.
The garage door looks awesome.
It does. It made an extreme transformation. And it is really, really nice looking.
Yeah.
It makes your whole house look brand new.
It does, it's so strange. You know, we just covered this one area with paint and it changed the look of the whole house. Like when you drive up the driveway,
Yeah.
it's awesome.
It's very impressive.
Yeah.
So we encourage you, do it yourself as a family.
Right, for under $100, we did this.
So a family that paints together stays together.
See you guys later.